Hey guys, what's going on? This is Neil Goodman and
Dylan Goodman.
what's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's happening?
Dads, am I right?
Yeah, I'm your dad. All right, guys. Today, what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to install a cedar wall right here in our what do we call this place? The palace.
Sure.
We'll call it the palace. Currently, we have Tyvek installed. This is the Tyvek. Can you point to the Tyvek, Dylan, please? Which is the weather-bearing paper. Then we have installed 3.5-inch rain screen slats. That way, there's a water can drip down behind the cedar that we're going to install. And now we're going to go ahead and show you how to install the cedar, going bottom up and banging it up. What do you think, Dylan?
Let's do it.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right, let's make it happen. All right. First thing we got to do, of course, is we got to get out all our tools. All right, guys, what's going on? We're ready to continue. As you see, we got all our tools out. We got our saw. We got our square. We got our pencil. And what we need to do is we realize that our distance between our 2 points, there to there, is 87 inches. Okay, so that said, what we're gonna do is we're gonna fire up the miter saw, and we're gonna cut the first board at 87 inches till it's absolutely perfect. All right, Dylan, come on, let's cut.
All right.
All right, to cut 87 inches, we're gonna get our measuring tape.
Okay.
Put that on the ground. Next, we use a square. What we do is our square, this edge here, we put that right there, so we can right there's 87.
If you are following along at home, please be careful.
Right.
Also, have an adult do the cutting.
Absolutely.
Also, make sure you buy the right thing. Oh, God.
Perfect, right?
Yeah.
Good? Okay.
I'll go get the glue gun.
Next thing we're going to do is perfect. On the ground.
We're going to use this bad boy.
Exactly.
Make sure you have a full glue, or at least half full.
What we're going to do,
Thank you.
okay.
Oh, God.
What you're going to do,
Really dirty.
it's okay.
Always have safety glasses when you're doing these kinds of things.
The caulk on there. There you go.
This is hard to do.
So we're going to caulk the bottom piece because the bottom one usually tends to stick out a little bit more than the other one. All right, so that's done. So now what we do, we got to level it next. Now once we've leveled it,
Is it hard to pull?
not at all. Oh, it's okay. All right. Back on.
Be cautious.
Okay.
And
Now,
not
one more
scared.
time. Level up one more time, please.
Okay.
Level on that one more time.
So we're good.
How's the level look to you? You stand over here. Look at the level. How's that bubble look? Right in the middle?
Good.
Perfect. Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to cut another piece of wood, and it is very loud. Okay. Nailing. Boom! More back. Yeah, that's back. Sorry. Anyway,
All
we're
right.
about to do some more cutting. Yeah. And measure. Also, if you're doing this on a cold day, please be warm.
All right, put the camera.
Here we go. Alright, hammer time. Gotta cut it again. Be very exact. Don't just cut it at random. Please measure.
All right. A little bit more.
Alright. Be very exact. Also, do not stand on the left side. Always stand on the that smoke? Is it fit?
Not yet.
A little bit shorter. And, yeah, we have to cut it just a little bit. Notch it. Dad!
Yes.
It's so like...
No, gotta cut it more. No. Let's go break. Gotta cut it more. It's okay.
Alright. I'll cut it more. I mean, you don't have to be like super crazy exact, but you do have to be crazy exact. If you know what I mean. Our cameras what you say, cuz? Can I do this side?
Of course we will.
Tell me where to hammer.
Right here. Now on your back. How's that look to you, son?
Pretty good. Alright, where's the nail
nail it in?
gun?
Alright,
Here
let
you
me
go.
know. You want to do it or you want me to do it?
You do it. I don't like nail guns.
How's that look, son?
Good.
Cool, right?
Yeah, boy. Cut that piece of wood.
Alright, good.
Now, this is the last one we will be doing.
What's going on, buddy?
I'm good.
Alright, looks like you got the wall finished up. Looks pretty good. Stacked on top. Trim pieces on the side. This is what it looks like when it's all done. Thank you everybody for watching. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button.
And like the video if you want to see more content. Thanks. Bye.